Hello my dear juniors, welcome to 360 class. Today in this problem solving series, we are going to discuss the problems related to plaster of Paris. So let's kick out the problems. The first problem is, what is plaster of Paris? What is plaster of Paris? The answer is, plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. That is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. It means plaster of Paris is a calcium sulfate containing half molecules of water, okay, which is known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now the second problem is, what is gypsum? What is gypsum? Gypsum is calcium sulfate containing 2 molecules of water of crystallization. तो जिप्सम क्या होता है? जिप्सम कैल्शियम सल्फेट ही होता है जिसमें 2 molecules of water of crystallization प्रेजेंट होता है. Now water of crystallization का मतलब क्या है? So the number of water molecules, H2O molecules present in a compound is called what? Called water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Okay. So water of crystallization क्या होता है? एक कंपाउंड में जितना H2O molecules present होता है उसको क्या कहता है? Water of crystallization. Now the gypsum is calcium sulfate containing 2 molecules of water of crystallizations. Okay. So the next problem is, how to prepare plaster of Paris. This is very important. Okay. So plaster of Paris को किस तरह से prepare किया जाता है? The answer is, plaster of Paris can be prepared by heating gypsum. Okay, by heating gypsum to a temperature of 373 Kelvin, that is 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so जब हम कैल्शियम सल्फेट दैट इज जिप्सम को कैल्शियम सल्फेट containing 2 molecules of H2O को 370 डिग्री that is 100 degree 373 Kelvin that is 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 373 केल्विन में हीट करते हैं तो the gypsum loses 3/4 of the water. Okay, that is, it gives us calcium sulfate hemihydrate plus H2O. So this is the equation. Okay, this is the equation of preparation of what? Plaster of Paris. Now the important thing is that during the preparation of plaster of Paris we should carefully control the temperature, क्योंकि अगर टेम्परेचर 100 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, अगर टेम्परेचर 100 से ज़्यादा हो जाए या 370 डिग्री केल्विन से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? हमारा जो कैल्शियम सल्फेट containing 2 molecules of water है, ये it will lose all the water molecules and form anhydrous calcium sulfate, anhydrous CaSO4. Okay, without any water. So which is not gypsum. Okay, and we cannot use this calcium sulfate as a what? Plaster of Paris. Okay, so this become unusable. So that's why we should control the temperature carefully. Okay, during the preparation of plaster of Paris, it should not be more than 100 degree or 373 Kelvin. Now the next problem is, what are the properties of plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris का क्या क्या properties होता है? So following are the important properties of plaster of Paris. The first one is, plaster of Paris is a white powder. It's a white powder. Okay. The second one is, plaster of Paris has a very remarkable property of setting into a hard mass on wetting on water. Okay. So plaster of Paris अगर वाटर के साथ कांटेक्ट में आता है तो वो क्या हो जाता है? हार्ड मास हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो इसको जिप्सम जैसा या जिप्सम नहीं प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस जैसा हम यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं। सो it becomes very hard, which can be used for the purpose of making toys, ornaments, cosmetic, etc., etc. Okay. So the next problem is, what are the uses of plaster of Paris? So plaster of Paris का uses क्या क्या होता है? So following are the important uses of plaster of Paris. So number one, that is number A is, plaster of Paris is used in hospitals for setting fractured bone in a right position to ensure correct healing. Okay. Then the second one is, it is used in making toys, decorative materials, cheap ornamentals, cheap ornaments. Okay. Then cosmetic, etc. So plaster of Paris can be used for making toys, decorative materials, cheap ornaments, and cosmetic. Okay. And there are more things which can be made by using what? Plaster of Paris. So this number third is, plaster of Paris is used as a fireproofing material. Okay, fireproofing material. So these are the important uses of plaster of Paris. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. So thank you for the watching.